We don't sit under gidigba put for we ogbonge program with government matter. You don't say if person come up for house every day. You get where we say you want tanda gidigba in body put where we say everything go cool. All the waka where you don't waka about. To take look for money, to take chop, to take feed in family. You get where body go take cool. Now all these ones that we don't share put on top of the program today. Because we get on gonge person. Person will say she sabi wetin concern your property. Wetin concern where you dey sleep, where you dey wake, where you dey keep your property, where you dey keep the money where you dey work for. That na the executive chairman for Edo Development Property Agency. Omo Isoke. I greet you.
Thank you.
Welcome to your Ogbonge program.
Thank you.
Since you don't tanda gidigba put as the executive chairman for Edo Development Property Agency, you get many things where we don't dey hear say they shall put for the place. You fit give us better informate. Wetin be the things where you dey do for Edo Development Property Agency?
Thank you very much. Una know say before now, EDPA don dey as government agency. They work for government as the authority. Now then they build house for here. Before, if you won't get planning, you will go EDPA. Even now, if you still won't get planning, they say they go EDPA because physical planning dey for that building. Okay, so before all this time, now when government get money, you go give EDPA. EDPA go use am build wetin the money reach. So as they do like that, the house, if they take that style, they build house, the house need dey reach like that because the year when government not get money, if government looks okay, they need to secure people. Make they feel safe for the where they need to put road, they need to put light, they need to put water. So by the time you reach house go there for back. So many times you go find out say money no go come dey, make they take build houses. So as time dey waka, it can't be say they not come dey build like that again. The last house where EDPA be built now, Yekoba housing estate for 2002. So since 2002. Government never really build any estate if it costs in a government estate with this. So for the last 16 years, government never do anything. So when this new government come, they come look and say, okay, this house, how we want to take do. If we continue to do that style what they do before, we feel not still fit provide the house as we want them. And we want to make Edo be the place where say everybody they come. And if everybody come here, it means say people go still they look for where they go stay. And if we not confident give them the house where they go stay, we can't be say the thing we want to make Edo be make everybody come. We know if we can achieve them. So how we can take do that kind of thing? So we call people waiting for the housing industry. Maybe they can't look the thing, advise us. So which is what will be the best way we will fit take do this matter when we say we will still fit give people the kind of accommodation when they want. And all of us they don't put you gather put together, make them talk. Since they come up for that kind of talk. So we can't look and agree. So okay, the best thing for now, maybe we come out housing from government hand. Maybe we carry and go private. So that whether government come, we'll see if they do the housing. Make we do things so go make private sector happy, you know, make their body really sweet, they make them come, they build houses for here. And make we do them in a way be say the houses they don't go DSA them because say in a private sector now they do them. So I know say for you to do that kind of thing, you need to get law for your back. Because if you don't get law for your back, you go just the ordinary policy way. If tomorrow another person go future changer. So the first thing we do now to change the law. So they change the law from make them say not be authority under government again. Now government now get them, but now private sector now it dey.
Now this one we dey on top housing matter. You get many other housing estates we don't dey before this new one we be say we want open a high for this program today. Before we enter that one, wetin be the things where the government don't do to make sure say those ones they still stay? Wetin be the policy where Obaseki put for ground on top housing sector for we state? Since you dey on top development and property matter, wetin be the things where they ground for this housing before we even begin to enter the law?
The thing be say, the things they ground. We don't say the estates they know they then they. But if you look these estates who they talk now, the way they take build there, that's why they put fine things, garden, they road, water, they're not there like that again. Because when they build this estate, they sell them to people. As they sell them, they don't put things down like maintenance, so they maintain the estate. So yes, let me get flat number 3. This man get flat number 4, but who get the road? So, and if government know they come back and repair the road, and when they live for the estate, they not repair the road, what's going to happen to the road over time? It goes spoil. The same thing with water, the same thing with light. So many times when this thing is spoil, the money to take repair and plenty. And if you say that time government not get them. So nobody repaired the thing. And as they not repair the thing, they spoil more. So now what happens? So all these estates then did there, but the facilities when they not be as them be before. So for now, for us to even feel say, okay, fine, we could come to repair these things now. Government go help, yes. But we too wait there for this, we get to see also help ourselves because remember say if not only you now get your house, not only provide everything in that house, you go look am. When time you should go paint the house, you go change the bulb if you die, you go do many things to make the house continue to remain good for you to fit enjoy am. So I said to with this estate, the estate wey private sector then they do, they make sure say facility manager dey, so that the money wey they need to they repair the road, to they provide the water, to they make sure say the light dey there, the street light for the bulb die, they change am. They provide them say, we're going to pay them small. So by the time we gather all of them together, we still they do the thing. So now all those old estates, not so we go leave them like that. No. We intend say we they talk to them now, so that make we see how we go fit take with their help and with government help, bring all those things back. So that the place go still dey fine. The place go still stay where person go feel you. Because now, if you go there and some of them, the road not even dey there again. So if you travel for the road, for example, you enter Gallop, thief fit come meet you for them. Fee thief from your hand. Armed robbers fee from there, enter. Because bush dey the next man compound. And that man, you know they even they see you. Light no dey for the street. All those kinds. So all those kind of things now. Within this new change, it dey for the law safe. It dey the law. They call it regeneration for inside the law. So that even we go regenerate the old estate. So that at the end of the day, the old and the new will they work out together.
Now you don't explain the plans we wanna get for the housing estate, the one we don't dig ground before. Now this new one, this one we just standard Gidigba put for ground for we states now. Wetin bring this idea? And how now want it? Because when I talk say now 1,800 housing units. How now want to standard this 1,800 housing units? I want me you explain now. More use on the way to break them down.
So if you want to even start now, if I tell you it's okay, my sister now 50 houses I want to do for Benin. What if be 50 houses? Who you go reach? How I want to even take it down? So first of all, we look for land. I will not want to make the place far from town. We want place somewhere when they're near, so that make people also feel no so can I hear a day, enough far. If I live for, if I work for social place, I feel still get this place. I feel still reach where they go. So we look around and we look for what we already get, because we get new towns. So we want to do within this this new government. But they say new town, it take time. You will pay compensation, you go do advert, you go pay compensation, you can't go do enumeration, you can't go clear the place, you can't go do topography, soil tests, do many things before you go eventually start to say you want to divide the land, start to sell. That will take time. And what we will not get in that time? We don't get time at all. We need to catch up with people. We need to catch up with states. So we need to look, okay, what do we get? We get land for so and so place. How the land be? So luckily we get this land for Sapomba Road. Government don't acquire and during Oyego time, don't they? When government acquire. Thank God say that land, they not touch them. So the land they. You get areas where they touch small, but the main land still there, about 70 hectares. So it's okay, make we start from this one. And also, because these people are new partner, we don't need to start too big with them too. But they still understand how they relate with us. Once they're comfortable the way they relate, if I tell them, say, come, we could go do 1,000 hectares, they're not going to fear, because they don't relate with us. So now we could start like this. And we do 1,440. Before we advertise 1,800, that time we never do the topography. By the time we do the topography, some of the area are wet. Some of the area, they don't do borrow pit inside before. So we'll not fit build house on top of that one. So we'll come out all those ones from inside the land. So what we go feel comfortably do now, 1,440. And that 1,440, man, I tell you, nobody they be all. Because inside that 1,440, get place where be plots. When a person will buy, then go build for himself. So in total, the ones we go build with our own self go be like maybe 900. The other ones, other people go build according to their power. And what we don't do there, we say, we don't do what we say, rich man, no, poor man, no, middle man, no, all of them will feel buy. You understand? But government don't even do better thing. We say government don't say it go provide infrastructure. So I mean the house not too dear for people who want buyer. Because if private sector now become providing infrastructure, everything, the money go up. I don't want that to be the case. We want make Benin people, make Edo people fit buy. So the whole thing have to tell them, say, look, this government did to help una. And we don't look the way we go fit take help una. There are different ways for housing. That's what we think say we fit take help una. So
on top of all those things we una they do for Emuta Gardens, the developer una they use and Mr. Nigeria. Wetin make una carry those people? Wetin be the thing? Wetin be the history about them? Because before we go bring, we don't know say Governor Godwin Obaseki administration, they shook eye where we enter anything before it introduce and call your own government. So wetin be the thing about this Mr. Africa? You say na them una carry as developer, and so far so good. Wetin they don't do for us for the estate.
Okay, Mr. Africa, na developing company when they for this Nigeria. They don't do only Nigeria, they do Algeria, they do Tunisia, They dey different Africa where they dey even dey Spain. The Mr. Africa na part of ARM Group. ARM Group na one known investment company like this. When they this Nigeria, they still respect. So we look what they do, look the quality of kind of house what they do, the time where they take the bill, how they take the bill, which kind of house where they get, the kind we want to they get the money as they talk. Nobody will come give you land, finish. Time to bring money, start to tell us story. So we don't want to, so we check all those things. Before so okay, now this person, now we lie because they get track record, because they get history, and they get the money. Because this is what they do. So government money on their side though. You go make everybody know, say government, shishi, you know they. Government, they give the land. After give land, they need approval. Then they also go talk to community. We go do all those ones. Then government, they contribute. Then they go bring their money. They go start to do. Okay, now we don't start this project. If you go there now, you go see at least 60-something houses there. Now mix that money. Oh. Nobody don't pay one kobo. Now Mr. They will say, when people buy, when they bring when we go gather together, take pay. Oh. Now their money, they take the do. If you go there now, if you go take it independent person, make you go value how much on they do and there. Not be small 100 money, million don't enter there. Oh. That the money they take it to. You understand? So the other thing where government go take support them and say the road inside the place, government go to one. Then the road to the place, that's a proper road, government go to one. So people they go there, they go happy. So now symbiotic relationship, no. So to way in a two join together, when they improve each other like marriage, better marriage. Where we say man and woman they support each other and make the two grow together. So that kind of partnership, now we they look for.
I know say una wey dey hear us for house, the matter dey sweet una for body. Now still on top housing matter where we dey stay put. On top Edo Development Property Agency, wetin dey do on top house matter for we state. Now we dey tanda gba put for this Obunge program. And I dey with Tomo Isokench, the one we say na she be the executive chairman of EDPA. When we take this shekele break, when Waka come back, we'll come begin dey ask her many things. How Emota Garden, I want to benefit we wey dey we state. I want to affect us, the people wey dey Edo State, and now Edo State government. I want to chop belleful for this kind of project. We dey come back.
Edo State government don land ogbonge opportunity for ground, and that na the Edo internship scheme for graduates and artisans dem. This program will give the graduates and artisans the opportunity to fit learn and train for better private and public companies for we state. To register for this ogbonge opportunity, you go get certificate for wetin you read for school and certificate for work wey you learn. You go be person wey dey stay for we state, and you go don reach 18 years and you no go pass 35 years, and you must don register for Edo Jobs. To register, apply for www.edojobs.edostate.gov.ng. This program will give graduates and artisans employment for at least 3 to 6 months with better mentoring plan, and it go still give private and public company opportunity to employ graduates and artisans wey get experience for wetin dem read for school and work wey dem learn. The organization go dey with state, e go don register for CAC and must ready to retain the interns after the training. Na Edo State government go dey pay the stipends for the interns dem. This message na Edo State government na im bring am.
If na just dey join us, we still dey gidigba put on top we government matter as e dey be for we state. Wetin be the things wey we government dey do to make the life of the people wey dey we state make e cool, make e easy for them. On top of government matter, if to say now you just dey join us, we dey talk about Emota Gardens, that na our housing estate. The one wey we say they don't tanda gidigba put for we state here. And we dey with Omo Isoken, wey be the executive chairman of Edo Property Development Agency, that na EDPA. I greet you, ma.
Thank you.
As we dey talk before we take the shekele break, I be dey ask you say wetin make una carry Minister Nigeria. How this projects, I want to benefit the people wey dey we state, back by the youth them on top work matter. How this Emota Gardens, how many of them una don throw away put for the project? How una don engage with youth wey dey we state?
Okay. Thank you. You know, when you want to engage with people for private sector, you get what they call MOU, where you go sign. Memorandum of Understanding. To say, so we want to waka, that one go be the first thing. Inside that memorandum of that MOU, you go write everything where you tutorial you for your belly. The other person go write you, una go talk, una go come agree. One of the two will write for MOU be say, the people where you go employ you go be our own people. They call them local content. The suppliers go be our own suppliers where they this place. So we know me, you go carry something come for somewhere, say they can't supply in there. Unless it's not this Edo, now be say you go bring them. So if you look at that, when would they do the groundbreaking ceremony? The house will be there, everything we use it now from Edo here will bring them. So now what people now we use. So after that, we don't engage with them, even for associations, so like timber people, we don't talk to them. So we are come, this is what we want to do. How much you go take, do them. They don't go the site. We don't go discuss with them. We go to the communities where there is, we could bring people. So many people were there. Now from here, even Edo Jobs, they follow us, they work there. So now local people will they use. But I don't fit to say 100% na local law because it not fit ever be 100% local. But majority na local. Because of this will be technical expertise. We both call technical expertise. For example, now maybe engineer, maybe one area like that, and also this mixer they get their own staff before. They don't go say because they come follow Edo State work, make any of the people not there. So they still get their own people who go see come follow us do the work. So we still get some of them there. So now also now with the bet, the truth be say Edo people, and then they benefit the most for the work, for the supply, for everything. That one you fit check them out.
On top of those benefits, we Edo people, we don't hear the shekele challenges on they face. Now, this housing estate, you know, say if person start business, now for gain, people need to know about them. Waiting be the way we call and response rates, how the people don't take away body put join the government. Not be only the people where they will state here, Edo people where they outside Edo states. Everybody don't they hear Mutagadi and how the people don't take away body say this initiative where government they do, they like Amu or they don't like Amu. Waiting be the things we don't face on top of this one.
My sister. If now as we take get response, now we take the do this house they don't buy and finish to tell you the truth because the way people they call people they phone from abroad, they send their brother, sister, go look whether this is not true. If it is true, we come to something they call expression of interest form. Who will take step? Maybe just say talk whether you like. For my office alone, we feel more than 600. Mr. Poo for Lagos, they get the same experience. You understand? Everybody want to buy. And that is what we want to tell them. Say, now we don't ready to sell. That time we just ready, but now we don't ready to sell. So it's not the interest, my sister. I tell you, say, the interest is there because you say, Edo people there everywhere. So me, I not fear about the interest, so I not fear at all. Many people, the team say they never even say we don't they sell. Now make we want to tell them now, say, oh yeah, we don't ready to sell now. Because now they come.
Before we enter the ego money, the one we say wealth creation for we stay, before we enter the money matter. If person wants to stay somewhere, security is very, very important. Waiting they want shop, school, amenities. Because the way we take talk and the Emutagadi be like community for people. Waiting be the structures where they grant to make sure say if there is sleep, not be say close one eye, open one down. And say they won't buy food, they won't waka, they won't get what they call recreational activity, they won't play, they won't enjoy all the better thing of life. Access to road, all these plenty things. Waiting be the things when I don't put for granted because when I won't build us, now one separating. To build the one where we say go give them what they call comfort. Now another thing. Waiting be the things when I don't do on top this one.
Emutagadi na lifestyle. Na lifestyle would they say here, na lifestyle would they offer. When they offer you house where they for inside bush. I don't tell you now say government go do the infrastructure for inside the estate. So all the roads we go do them. We do on them now. Government go do the Sakpoba road. You say Sakpoba road they get traffic. And make a talk to una so una know. Sakpoba road they always get traffic. Market dey that road, different things. Conductor and bus they turn anywhere where they like. They fit decide say now here they want to pick passenger from middle of the road. You go get to wait. So government and that road na federal road, not be state road. Na federal road. But government will show you say he ready for this matter. Government want to do the road by itself. Expand the road, put median. You know that way they do for center road, make it not fit turn. They call them median. They go put median for the center of the road. So not only for specific location and junction, now you go fit turn. No. You don't go fit just turn as you like again. So bus stop, government go get particular bus stop. But if you want enter, but don't say they do along. Just jump for the bus for along. Go no, you go get to enter for bus stop. So that way traffic go dey flow. Then government, now if you know say they don't they do St. Saviour road, we won't join another road from Aviama. Come that same place again. That's another road government want to. So make sure say the place they okay. Not be saying inside bush or nowhere. Then inside the estate, we get shopping center, we get police station, we get school, we get gym and recreational facilities, we get parks and gardens. Where we say children when they drive their bicycle, they will go play. We get lakes, we get so many things. Where when they there, they go really enjoy. You feel even stay there if you don't want to come out for weekends, you know, everything you want, you go there.
Now we enter the wealth creation, the money, how the payments. People they watch now, they don't hear the Obonge things where you talk about Emuta Gardens, the school, the house, the road. Waiting their year, go 1 year now on top the money. How far? How much? How the payments they go. And this opportunity, so hope no be saying now for just some certain kind of people. Because we know how seen as civil servants supposed get access to them. we get senior, we get junior. How the money take be, how the payment, how it take they go, how the junior want to meet up to take fit get the one way seniors go get. I want me to explain all this one because I know see the day house, they hear me and you, and they want me to explain well.
Okay. The houses, it start from 5 million. And because the government won't make everybody have finish. That 5 million, now be for the 2-bedroom cluster. There be 4 for one line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 bedroom. Now be the 5 million. They'll get one be 6.4. They'll get one be 8 million. And also they go up. The one went dear pass for this in a 25 million a duplex. Okay. We still get plot of land. So if you don't want to even buy, if you will be your own, it day inside. The plot of land will get the regular one, I will get the big one. Regular one are 7.5. The big one now 14 million. So that one day there. And then what we do, we don't structure payment plan. So if they pay small over 24 months, between 18 and 24 months, you go deposit, they start to pay small. Now we talk to people on how we want to do mortgage because not everybody could even stay pay for 24 months. Some people they work and their salary not too plenty like that. So they want to do mortgage when they pay small. So we talk to different people to see how we still do the mortgage. So what we don't recognize, we say not everybody go as they are not the equal. And so finances, everybody will not the equal. So we go look the different options when they available. We're not cut off anybody. As you know now, civil servants they don't join to the pay what they call National Housing Fund. When be the collection when they did for this Nigeria where everybody want buy house under federal government go pay inside because now money now we see supposed to do the thing quick. So now like that now we want to.
Okay. For people with their house, as they talk, say they need deposits. Help us explain, give them how they will take reach you now.
Okay.
The way we say they will take connect you now, the information where they need, everything we they do for EDPA. Okay. Me explain, give them. So as the day out, they will watch them for screen and they will hear them for your mouth. Okay.
The truth be say, if you want meet us, we dey for EDPA, 3rd floor for EDPA building for Sapoba Road by 3rd Junction. Now there now our office there. We also get a marketing suite for the Emota Gardens. For Pasakpomba, if you reach there, people go still attend to you. We get our phone numbers. So if you see call us to ask us, say, how far, we go see explain to you. We still send you email, So if you see contact us by email, so we'll get different ways. But if you want to buy, you go get a few form, this kind of form. You go fill am, finish, sign them, put your passport photograph. Then this one, if you scan them to us, or if you bring them, send them to us. If you send them to us by mail too. So when you finish, so you get to go pay for our Emota Gardens account for Access Bank. When you get the teller, you scan the teller to us. Based on that scanner, we go confirm to you say we don't see the money. That's also so you pay. Now this kind of house now you pay for. They will tell you all the process what we need to do. So different ways. We see they sell for Lagos. So Mr. Office for Lagos, they see they sell. So we see they sell. When abroad people sell, we they sell to them because no say now technology not let anywhere far again. So we get people they see they sell to online and all those kind of. So different ways we try to make them easy for you, make you come buy. I want now to make sure say the house they available and make you say okay this now be the option now here for this house now my power reach then you go use that one take buy. So now we did one.
Any bonus if they buy the house, like if person won't buy now, anything they want they attach, give and say, you don't buy, you take home.
So these are souvenir items, so they give people. To see tell them say we appreciate them as they see us say they want to come patronize us. Now they give them all these small things. Take join body. All this one like this air freshener. If you just come ask us, go just give this one make your life for your house everything they smell nice. Make you imagine what you want to get when the house don't finish. So all this air freshener, then we get this t-shirt when I wear so now for golfer t-shirt. That one now for women. This blue one now for women. The gray one now for men to still give them as they call. We get cap, we get cup, we get towels, we get key holder, notebook, different things to take all our marketing materials to make people know say are we happy. We won't get fine bag what we do. We go take pack everything we do. With the paper of the see now with the Emota Garden, every information what you need, the information you find, the day inside, how you go take reach us, which kind of question you want to ask, how can I feel change my house if I buy and break and down bill on that thing, I be how I want to take pay, which time when I will give me allocation, government go give me title, any kind of question when you ask. So I say the thing is what we get all this over not plenty so that people when first come, now first come first serve we they do. So as you come. As we see say you dey interested, we can't even get this very fine one. Show say will be real Edo people. This one are for the, So this one are pure bronze. The motor bust to show we identify with her. They come in this fine bag, So different memorabilia. What we take they encourage people say make una come patronize us. As when they patronize us, we too get way to tell una say thank you for patronizing us. So different things. This cup alago daro make we go forward. Find cup if you dey do exercise for money. Say nowadays everybody they like exercise. As you dey drink, you remember say they buy from us. Maybe your next payment don't dey due. As you open, you go, as you just remember, you come pay us. Different things that we put for ground make you take happy with us. And tower day to as you dey waka, clean your sweat. Different things. So also just to encourage people say, look, Edo State dey here. We dey do something different. Come follow us, come look us, come see how we go feel. Do this place, make everything jollificate for everybody together.
I thank you well. Thank you say you join us for this program. And thank you say you open better light put for all the matter, the one we consign EDPA. Yes. My people for us, if not say now you just the year where we take hand them, or you don't they watch us since now on top waiting EDPA, Edo Development Property Agency. Waiting they do on top house matter, waiting they do on top a motor garden. The one will be say they do for our year every day. Now Momo we just come up. Now all these ones, now we don't talk on top this program with government matter for T Live Media. And now Momo is okay, we be their chairman. Now she can they explain all these ones. They throw a better light, will be that light with the inside studio here on top the matter. Me now no can't forget, say we still there for social media, we there for YouTube. We dey for Twitter, we dey for Instagram, and also we dey Facebook. As you dey look me, they look yourself, so you dey see everything they waka comot on top the screen. May you follow and may they get ogbonge tori. May you no forget to they click am, they watch us. And if you dey go our social media, they click the subscribe. All the ogbonge news, the one we consign Edo State, everything go dey touch you for body. Because now waiting till live media, now waiting we sabi do be that. They bring the ogbonge information where you want, we go benefit you for we state. My name never changed. My name is Nani Mashagumo. And I dey sign out on top with government matter, on top I dey be for we state.